Oh Lord, guys, this ain't no joke. Set up this tent ain't no joke. Prices went up. You wanna be on camera?
No.
You on camera, you gonna see you don't wanna be on camera.
You like those?
Yeah.
For
maybe
sure.
the melanin. Maybe.
Let's get some melon.
I don't know, but it's an option.
You don't like chocolate lip popping?
No. Okay. Good morning, guys. I'm sorry, I'm reading my receipt. Everything went up. All the prices. That's
everything.
Yeah, that's what we.
But our paychecks.
Oh, there you go. So it is 8:38. We're waiting for our food to come out. We're at a bagel shop, and we just waiting. We had to drive like an hour, so that's why I got a Rockstar. I know, don't judge me. And I got a lottery ticket. I feel like this is the winning ticket. I'm gonna hit the jackpot with this ticket. This is the winning numbers. I feel it. So if you guys haven't seen yesterday's vlog, we was at a event that's like our home. We always go there when we have nowhere else to go to do a pop-up. Yes, it was oh, sorry guys, it's a little messy. It was amazing turnout. We didn't get that many sales, surprisingly, but well, we did. Yeah, we had fun. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Today, yes, I'm optimistic. I know today's gonna be a good day. I need to get this address.
Unless you like this one.
I don't know about the glitter.
It's not gonna be glitter because we're not gonna. Oh yeah, it's the one.
Okay. I feel like I had to say something, but I don't know. I can't remember. All right, guys. All right, we got our little bagels. All right, hold on. Let me get the address, and then we want to hit the road. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So I'm excited. I'm in a good mood. She loves R. Kelly. Proceed to South Oh, they are coming. This is the time they all come. Usually nobody here.
We late.
What spot you on? Our usual.
I like our usual.
Oh, it is dark. I don't know why my camera looks like that. Okay, it's getting better. An hour later and we're here. We just wait in line. So we can't drive on the grass, so we're just waiting for everybody to unload and drive forward. Is it good? You usually like dry. But yeah. Oh, and while I was driving, we got 2 new orders. So I love getting orders. I'm so appreciative for people checking out the site. Yeah, she bought another. This girl bought. I would like this t-shirt that says Aruba on it, thank you. Okay, Baba. She wants a medium. She made a comment.
A medium? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we are medium.
I think we need to make it clear that the Aruba is not as big as this.
Okay.
I need to make that.
Aren't you
I need to make
the shirt that you made?
I'll put a picture of it.
That picture up.
Yeah. Okay, I need to change the picture.
Can we screenshot a picture of that?
Okay, yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do when we get home. And I need to submit something for school. So anyway, yeah, I'm so grateful for people who do place an order. So we have about 6 orders in total that we need to ship. 2 is to print. If you guys don't know, me and my mom have a printing company as well, but we need to push that a little harder. But we're doing good. So we have 2 prints that we need to make, and the rest are just closed orders. And a few of them are pre-ordered because our wholesaler hasn't shipped us our stuff yet, so that's why it's a lot of pressure. I don't like holding on people's money without sending them stuff, you know. They actually turned the car off, huh? Last time I was here, I feel like we came around the same time, and it was like
it's almost 10 o'clock.
I guess not. I might as well get comfortable. But But yeah, so yeah, I'm so grateful. And Rockstar. And another thing, this will came as soon as I came here, it made me think about it. It made me think about it. I want to do a video to teach people how to set up an online website. Apparently a lot of people do not know how to do it. They come to her asking me. Somebody here asked me how to set it up. So I'm like, I didn't know a lot of people didn't know how to set up a website. I don't know, that's me being naive, but I didn't know a lot of people didn't know how to do it. So I'm gonna do a tutorial on, you know, the basics of doing one. I need to remember, I need to write that down. And this weather is so ugly. Hopefully the sun comes out.
Yeah.
I feel like people not listening when she said just take your stuff out and go. Oh, I think they heard me. But yeah, today's gonna be a good day. I say that every day though. I always say it's gonna be a good day. Even if I'm in a bad mood, I will still say it.
How we get dibs on getting down here?
I think this is all sold up. Okay.
Are they regulars?
Yeah. They not all of them not here yet.
Those regulars be doing what they want to do.
Yeah, she has her favorite. Yeah. Some people have been here since her first, when she first started doing these pop-up events. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit so I don't want you guys to see her.
This is cute.
Cause I don't know if she wants to be on camera. That's cute. She probably put us in a regular. Alright guys, I'm back. I had to delete some stuff off my camera. I'll put my shoes on real quick. I'm wearing these basic chucks. I'm putting my shoes on.
It's a lifesaver.
Yeah, it's a yeah.
73 it said.
That's good.
Okay, yeah.
That's good.
Yes, always. Well, I was freaking out because I was like,
It was gonna rain.
but I was meditating all like calm and everything. And then I came today and someone told me I'm gonna start to eat something. Good job.
If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you
Okay, so finally tipped up. We about to finish unloading and setting up. We have to be done by I think 10:30. And the DJ's setting up now, so I'm not gonna be able to like just have the video just play through.
Yeah, we're just gonna tell insurance that someone swiped us in the parking lot.
All our stuff.
We're gonna back out
Okay, I'm
here.
moving.
Thank you, really appreciate you moving
Oh, no
us
problem.
a little bit.
Okay guys, so I'm setting up. You see the glasses. Ooh, nice back here. And of course I'm on live like I'm always am. You guys see the camera. I'm on live. Every pop-up I'm on live literally all day until the battery dies, and then I do a charge it up again. Okay. I'm trying to utilize this time because once the DJ comes, when she sets up, I'm not gonna be able to vlog as much because copyright violations. I don't want any copyright violations. Hold on, guys. So yeah, how's everybody else doing? Talk to me. It makes the live go by. It makes it entertaining. Yeah, I like the glasses on this table. So when they
That glass case.
when put it on this side there?
Yeah, hide that one. See how it's hanging?
Yeah.
Alright, you can go move the car.
Oh, you got everything out? Okay, this is one I wanted to show you guys. Oh, let me fix it. This is so sexy. It has a split. And look at this. It's like so edgy. It's so cute. So cute. I'm in love with this freaking dress. I know I say that in every dress I show you guys, I say it, but why you have it up there? Why you have it up there?
Is that medium?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Tracy's.
Did she pay for it?
Will she?
Then why you have it out? Okay guys, my mom said somebody just ordered this one.
Sorry.
They ordered it, but they text her. They didn't order it through the site. They just text her. If we sell it today, we gonna sell it. We gonna sell it. Somebody want it, we gonna sell it.
I'm gonna tell her what you said.
I was saying, she like our best customer.
Yeah.
What y'all saying over here? Okay, y'all not saying anything good. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see. I guess you guys can.
This right here or right here?
People walk this way, so I want that to be like.
So this right here or right here?
Right there.
So when you walking up,
we'll do that cat and quarter. Okay, we're talking about this right here. This right here is one of my favorite tables, and we put our bedazzled purses or clutches. Oh, let me get in some for you guys. So we put our bedazzled clutches. You guys know that's our like best seller. I feel like it should be right here because we're at the end. So the beginning is all over there. So when you people walk, I'm thinking I want them to, you know, their attention to be grabbed right here. And that's why I put the glasses right here. So I'm just picturing when customers walk that they be, you know what I mean? That's how I envision it. All right, I need to move the car because everything's out the car. We'll move the car and then we're gonna finish setting up all this. All right, I'm gonna just eat a couple bites. Oh, they did put it on here. Okay. I don't like some of the sauce they put on there. I told them no sauce. That's so annoying. Alright, actually, no. They get on my nerves. Alright, it's fine.
Give me a buck, need the Gucci stuff. Gucci lemonade, you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you love.
Here's your 5-minute warning, guys. We've got yoga starting over towards the enclosed fence, towards the black gate over there, across from the amphitheater, opposite side of the amphitheater. We've got yoga starting at 11:30. Make sure you participate. You don't want to miss out to really get the vibes going, really calm down and ground for a little bit, feel that stretch. Really magical, and you can have your first experience here with us at Vegan Depot. Thank you guys so much for being with us today. I'm DJ Melodic Baby with Just Us Entertainment. We do parties, weddings, all types of events. Come up and talk to me, and I'd love to see what you got going on. Other than that, hope you guys have an amazing Sunday.
Hey guys, so we made a few sales. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. I love it. I love when we make sales and get content, of course, for YouTube and TikTok. I'm still on live, so you guys can see. But anyway, you guys already know our setup. This is like the setup that we usually do when we do events. But I'm gonna show you guys everybody else's, just in case you guys want to do a pop-up or you need any ideas. So let's walk that way. They gave me one. That's cute how she did that. It's cute. It looks very. Oh, they do henna right here. It's cute. It's a vibe over here. That's good. You can't even hear music back here. I don't see that guy who used to sell like vegan waffles. I think he had. He was here last time, but. And okay, it's cute too.
For Riverside, when posting your social media. Thank you guys.
I remember you from last time too.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Let's try it. gonna give him a shout. His food's so good, guys. I'm gonna tag him.
Just tag him.
I'm making sales, but I didn't record it because some people don't want to be on camera. But yeah, I'm in a good mood. Today was better than yesterday. If you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, it's gonna be a link in the description box. You guys are about to fall. Hold it. Okay guys, so that's the end of the event. We're starting to pack up.
Did it do good in the sun today?
Yeah, we're good.
I feel good.
Yeah.
But did you sell? Because that's what you're here for. We always do it.
Yeah, we do
So
good.
if
Yeah.
we make one sale, to me, I'm thankful. That's hardly all vendors. I am so thankful.
Well, it's a double.
We'll see you on the
Yes,
Yes.
we'll be here.
Yes, we're going ahead and put this money together.
Okay guys, I'm sorry. So that was it for this event. Oh my god, you guys shaking. Okay. So that's it for the event. We had so much fun. We didn't make as many sales as I wanted to or projected to, but it's fun because days like these, especially if you're an entrepreneur who is watching this, days like these, you can maximize your time, as in vlog, create content for YouTube, TikTok, and all that. And so like it's not a day of just losing because you have so much content to push and to get more customers for it, and customer sales and all that. So for instance, like today I said we didn't make a lot of sales, but we got content and we networked and we passed our flyers. Some people are following us already on Instagram, so it's amazing. And somebody placed an order online. Yay, I'm so excited. You guys know when I get an order online, I just love it. So yeah, like today was like, it was a good turnout. Oh, the box is right there, I see it. So yeah, we're packing up. I'm still on live on TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. I'm there all the time posting. But yeah, I'm in love with this little canvas. I don't know what you want to call it, thermo, whatever. It's so cute. All right, so I'm gonna keep the camera on so you guys can see us pack up like we usually do. We have a lot of stuff to pack. Yeah. What's wrong? Okay, you say you need the weight?
Yeah, I need the weight. Do the first.
All right.
What did you say?
F off.
Probably love those hats.
And we only got one left. And my battery's about to die. I have like 20% left, so I'm gonna wait till the phone dies, and then yeah, I'll probably just see you guys. I don't know. I'm gonna make some time to get on live this week. All right, let's go. Let's pack up. I hope the camera's not a little wobbly because I've been seeing it move a little bit. This wind is so disrespectful, guys. I'm sorry, I was checking the time to see how long the camera's on. What you guys doing?